Hi everybody, you're watching NDTV Swirlster and today I have with me the Dyson Coral hair straightener. Now this is what the hair straightener looks like. It can be used cordless as well as with a cord according to your needs, and it comes with a charging station and the main wire cord where you can charge it. It is quite travel friendly and also comes with a heat resistant traveling case. So these are all the accessories that come with the Dyson Coral. I am going to show you close-ups as well as how it works, so keep watching. Now this is what the Dyson Coral looks like. This is the front side of it and this is the back side of it. Now I am going to show you more details about all the buttons that it comes with. For one, this is the lock which locks the plates together. So when you close the plates, you can lock it in place. And this is where you can open it up. I am turning it on and there we go. That is the amount of battery I have left. You can adjust the temperature with these buttons. So I can set my temperature right here. Those are the three temperatures which I can adjust my straightener within. And right now it is heating to the highest temperature. I'm turning it off. A long press and it turns off. Now at the back of the straightener is this handy button, which is a button which makes it very travel friendly because it deactivates the battery. When you pull it out, the battery is deactivated of the straightener and you can put it in your travel baggage when you are flying. So that is what the straightener looks like. Now let's look at the other accessories. This is the charging station which comes with the Dyson Coral. So when you are charging the straightener, you simply fit it in right here and you place it in the charging station, and this is where it charges. Once the charging station of course is hooked up itself to a charging point, this is of course the cord that comes to charge the straightener and the charging point. Now this cord plugs into the charging point and it fits right into the straightener as well. So you have the flexibility to charge either one of them from this cord. This is the heat resistant travel case. This is what it looks like. It folds open and you can fit your straightener right here. And if you have removed the battery, the deactivate button, you can fit the button right in here as well. So it's very handily packed right here. Now I am going to demonstrate for you how the Dyson Coral straightener works. So I am turning it on right here with a long press. There the sound denotes that I have that much battery left in the straightener, which means I can continue to use it cordless because I do still have some power packed in it. I'm adjusting the temperature. There are three settings, so I am going to select the highest setting. I've set it as 210 degrees and it is set right there. The red button of the battery is flashing and it's going to start heating up anytime soon. It's done. That sound denotes that it has reached the temperature of 210 degrees Celsius. And it is also showing me my battery is low. Now I'm going to straighten it for you right here. That is what the straighten strand looks like. After having used the Dyson Coral hair straightener, here are my thoughts on it. For one, there is an immense amount of flexibility which the straightener offers you. It can be used corded or without a cord, and that is one of its greatest features. So with using it cordless allows you to very easily straighten the hair without getting wrapped up in a cord. However, the time which you can use it cordless cordless is not very long, so you have to time yourself accordingly or charge it accordingly. When it comes to charging, you can either fit it into the dock that it comes with and charge it there, or you can even plug the cord into it and continue using it, which is another way in which it is so flexible. When it comes to travel friendliness of it, it is something to note that it is very travel friendly because of how easily you can deactivate the battery with the button here, the flight button, and how easily it slips into the travel case as well, which is heat resistant. So immediately as you finish straightening your hair, you can fit it in and worry not about it heating anything else when it is in the case. However, the straightener can be a little heavy to use with a single hand like this. So you probably have to shift it between hands or take a break in between when you are straightening. I have found that it works really well, and the effects of straightening and even being poker pin straight really show through. You will need 1 or 2 maybe strokes to go through the hair for that effect to go through, but it really does significantly cut down on time because of how quickly it can straighten the entire hair. Now that is what we think of the Dyson Coral.